Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title above, today I am doing an unboxing and review video with a company called Coeebags. I'm not sure if I'll pronounce it right, so I'll just spell it out for you guys. I'm very excited because this company, what they do is they're a replica bag company. So basically they create replica bags of designer bags for much, and then they sell it for much cheaper and affordable price, which is great because if you could get something that looks exactly like the real thing, why not, right? So I'm gonna go right into it. Okay, so I'm gonna put a picture right here of how the real bag looks like. It's a very beautiful Louis Vuitton bag. You guys have probably seen this around, this style around. It's very popular, and so you guys see the picture. It looks really great. And now I'm gonna show you guys, we're gonna unbox the replica bag, and then we're gonna compare. I don't have it physically, but we're gonna compare with the picture how similar they are. Okay, it came in, I already opened the package, like the other package, but basically this is how far I got. I already ripped this open. It comes like in a box. I got it, they sent it to me through DHL. So that's, it came like that basically. So we're just gonna open it up a little bit more. I already started to like open it. Just gonna slide it out. Okay. All right. Okay, yeah. So that's the bag that it comes in. Orange bag, and it says Louis Vuitton on it. Okay, so it has straps at the top like this that come from the box, right? Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, make sure I'm opening it the right position. Okay, so as you see inside, it's all in plastic. I'm pretty sure the bag is in here. It's covered in plastic. I guess all the protection that you need, right, to keep this bag nice and safe, especially when it's traveling from a far distance, right? So I'm just gonna open the plastic. So it has tape. Just removing the tape. All right. Wow. Okay. So once you remove the tape, okay, so you remove that plastic. I'm just gonna throw everything on the side over there. You guys are gonna see that. Okay, awesome. So, oh, I think okay, so the box. Okay, oh, that's cool. I did not know that. Look at that, guys. So the box has like a magnet thing. It can be flattened down. I did not know that. That's so cool. And then look, that's pretty awesome. Okay, cool. There's actually a Louis Vuitton like pamphlet thing or letter, I guess I can say. So I'm just gonna put this box down. Okay, so it says Louis Vuitton at the top, and so there's tape as well on this. So I'm just gonna do that to open it up. Okay. All right, so just taking out the bag. Ooh. It looks nice, guys. Wow. Oh, this is cute. Okay, let's remove all the, I'm just gonna, so it has all these plastic foams around the handles, I guess, just to keep it safe and stuff, right? So just gonna remove that. Making such a mess. I'll clean it up after. So just removing all of that. So you don't need it, obviously. Okay, this is a cute bag, guys. Wow. Let's go. We're gonna go through it. Oh, okay. So I removed all the foam things that were on the side. Oh, and there's still some like blue stickers that I'm gonna take out in a minute. But I just found something really cute inside. Oh, and the strap of it. Oh, that is so cute. So there's another little bag that comes inside. So it's kind of like a wallet part of it that comes with the bag, which is really cute. I really like that. That all your important stuff is in here. Ooh, this is cute. I really like that, and it comes with a strap that you can add on top. That's really cute. Alright, so yeah, so it just looks like that. I think this is like really cute. And obviously you add the strap and then you put it inside the bag. You would like just adjust it, I guess, like that. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. Okay, so let's go back to the bag itself. Okay, so I'm looking at it right now, and honestly, it looks real to me. Like, honestly, like, it's feels great quality. By the way, let me show you guys the inside. Just the red, and then it says Louis Vuitton inside. Let me get closer. So yeah, you guys saw it zoomed in. Like, honestly, I just think it looks great. The quality feels good. The handles feel great. The inside is nice and soft. It doesn't have like a weird smell of it or anything, because you know sometimes some things coming from overseas sometimes has like a weird smell. It's good. And then it even comes like a little Louis Vuitton booklet inside the pocket there. I like it, guys. I'm loving it. I think it's very cute. Yeah, it definitely gets my approval. Like, all I can say is that it's a very cute bag. I don't know if you would have to be really an expert to really come up to this bag and be like, that's fake or whatever. Like, no. Like, I really like it. Yeah, I recommend it. I'm gonna put all the information below. You guys can contact them through WhatsApp. They have a website even. They have an Instagram. I'm gonna put all the information below, and honestly, I recommend it. If you're looking for a designer bag and you want something that looks real and not, you know, fake or whatever, I would definitely, you know, recommend them. This bag is super cute. I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna wear it today, actually. So I'm very excited about this, receiving this, and I love it. So thank you so much, DBRIGHT Squad, for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I definitely recommend you guys checking out this brand, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.